I was crawling through the human race. I heard the voices through the dark.
This is what we call idle shot.
I beat my fist against my chest, against my heart. Hey, oh, hear the sound. We are the underground. Hey, oh, rising up. We're not afraid of fighting. I finally found my place. I put the war paint on my face. And I'm ready to give whatever it takes.
Why would you not ask?
Standing at the edge of the fire, fighting for the will to survive. I feel it burning under my skin, and I'm back on my feet again. This is the feeling, I can't believe it. My heart is bleeding out now. I'm dangerous, feet in the fire, higher and higher. Rising up, now I'm dangerous. Silence the voices in my head. I picked my poison, now I'll drink it till the bitter end. Hey, oh, hear me now. I'll take on the darkness by myself, 'cause I'm ready to give whatever it takes. Standing at the edge of the fire,
Hey, you make mistakes too.
don't know how I ever
Here goes
survived.
Russians.
I feel it burning under my skin, and I'm back on my feet again. This is the feeling, I can't believe it. My heart is bleeding out now. I'm dangerous, feet in the fire, higher and higher. Rising up, now I'm dangerous.
How about that?
Throw it. Why would you not ask?
At first I was afraid. Down in the darkness,
what we
I
call
was
silent
crawling
shots.
through the human race. I heard the voices through the dark. So I beat my fist against my chest, against my heart. Hey, oh, hear the sound. We are the underground. Hey, oh, rising up. We're not afraid of fighting. I finally found my place.
It's over
I
now.
put the war paint on
really
my
sorry.
face, and I'm ready to give whatever it takes.
This much is easy.
Standing